How to change background in the Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to change the background of the photo or video, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application, just like this. After that, you will find something like this. Now tap onto this button at the bottom, select it. Now to change the background, you need to choose the background first. So tap onto this plus button, select it. Now simply choose one background that you would like to add, just like this, and tap on to add. Now you can see your background has been added. Now to choose the photo or video for this background, tap on to overlay right here, select it. Now simply choose one photo or video just like this. Now you can see the video has been added, and see, this is the background that we have just added at the first. So this is the only way that you can change background of the photo or video. Now to replace this, simply tap on it, and here you can find the replace option. Simply replace it, and that's it. This is how you can change background into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.